Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about what you can share with your audiences using bots. Let's get started. Do you know that Messenger bots has a higher chance of click-through and open rates? Are you aware that most of your target audiences are using Messenger to communicate with businesses? You can provide better customer service and share relevant content with your audiences through the help of Messenger chatbots. Facebook Messenger bots can help your business perform the tasks automatically depending on the flow of messages that you want your audiences to receive from you. It provides a way for your customers to engage with your business without spending your precious time responding to their messages all day. You can use your Messenger bot to send mass messages, automate questions and answers, or subscribe people to your newsletter. First, you can conduct surveys. If you're looking to gather data from your target market, bots can help you collect data through the use of surveys. People will not be bothered by answering surveys if you send it via Messenger. They can easily tap on their answers and they can be finished answering a short survey in just a few minutes. People want to do everything fast. If answering surveys won't take much of their time, they will be eager to participate in the survey. Aside from surveys, you can also let your audiences participate in quizzes or polls, which makes it more entertaining for your participants. Next, you can send announcements. You can send mass messages to your audiences about your latest promotion for the day, for the week, or a special holiday. People may not be aware of the promotions that you share on your Facebook page. If you send it via Messenger using your chatbot, you can automate the announcement to tons of audiences in your list. You can attract people interested to purchase products that are on sale. Next, you can register subscribers to an event. If you have an upcoming event, you can promote it via Messenger. Your subscribers might be interested to learn about the topic that you're conducting at your event. You can use your Messenger chatbot to let your audiences know about the event and invite them to join the live event or webinar. You can increase and drive registration as you let them know about the event via Messenger. Next, you can send reminders to an event. If you have invited them to join your live event or webinar, you can send follow-up messages to inform them of the time and date of your event. Doing this will allow your audiences not to miss out on attending your live event. Your audiences might be busy with their schedule that they might forget about their registration with your free live event. Reminding them will help them be aware of the event and they will be grateful that you have sent them a reminder about it. Next, subscribe them to a newsletter. Depending on your niche, you can send mobile-friendly content such as newsletters. You can ask them if they want to receive content from you, and you can add them to your subscribers list so that they can receive relevant information as they subscribe to your newsletter with the help of your Messenger bot. Next, you can share tips. You can share a short motivational tip with your audience. The tips that you can share can be a random motivational quote that applies to anyone, or it can be related to your business niche. If you're in the fitness niche, you can send motivational quotes that might lift their spirits to strive and work out and inspire them to take action. Chatbots can make it easier for your customers to ask for information about your services, join an event, participate in surveys, or receive offers from your business. Your chatbot must share content with your subscribers. Be informative and offer help first, then sell your products or services later. If you want to automate the responses from your Facebook page, we have a marketing app that can help you grab leads without an opt-in form and send automated messages that gets near 100% open and click-through rates. It is the first Facebook-based autoresponder that you can find on the market. With Site Contact, your leads can subscribe to your list without an opt-in form. They can even subscribe with just a click of a button. You can send welcome messages, send message broadcast to reach all your subscribers. You can reach your audience both on mobile device and on their computer. It supports scheduling message broadcast to save you time, so you can send your messages to your subscribers anytime you want. Site Contact can benefit Facebook advertisers, e-commerce sellers, brands, product vendors, Facebook fan page owners, or even content creators. Site Contact is perfect for any marketer. Site Contact allows you to reach the market that you think was only possible with email marketing. To try Site Contact now, go to the URL getsitecontact.in and start receiving the benefits of Site Contact to grow your list faster, get better reach, and get more clicks. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.